D stand for DNA. T stand for technology. What is the another name of RT? Genetic engineering. This is the another term which can be used for RT. It is also known as genetic engineering. So let me start. What are the applications? There are so many applications which are given here. It is also used in transgenic animals to produce transgenic plants to make recombinant microbes. It is also used in the different sectors for the vaccine production, hormone productions, organic acid productions, enzyme production, as well as protein. It is also used in the study of diagnosis of disease. So there are so many diseases which can be studied with the help of RDT, which is also called genetic engineering. It can be also used in gene therapy to study the cause of disease. What is the genetic cause of disease? So there are so many branches in which we can be show the application of biotechnology. You can say RDT. Today we are going to study genetically modified plants. This is the one of the most remarkable, unique application of biotechnology in the field of agriculture. So first of all, we will study what is GMO. Very simple full form is given. G stand for genetically M stand for modified, O stand for organism. So very simple full form, genetically modified organism. In shortcut, this is called GMO. So there are so many. It may be plants, which is called genetically modified plants. Sometimes it is also called transgenic plants. It may be animal, these are called transgenic animal. It may be MO, microorganism, transgenic microorganism. So these are the some application of the genetic engineering, which is also called RDT. So today we are going to study a case study of RDT in the field of agriculture, which is also known as transgenic plants. There are so many modified plants which is called transgenic plant, in which desired gene, a piece of DNA, which can show the particular features. So such kind of plant in which foreign gene is inserted to obtain the desired plant product. This is called transgenic plants. So here we will study this kind of plants. They can be show the resistance to the particular insect. That's why they are called insect resistance plants. The best example, the best case study which is given in a book, that is called BT cotton. There are so many transgenic plants. It may be BT core, you can see maize. It may be also called BT brinjal. BT brinjal, tomato, potato. Out of so many, the most important case study which is given in your book is called BT towel. This is our today topic. So let me study in the detail what is the advantages of BT cotton in agriculture sector. BT cotton. Here the word which is called BT cotton. It is not biotechnology, the shortcut of biotechnology, that is also called BT. But here it represents the another thing. This word, it is taken from a bacterium. The name of bacterium is Bacillus. Bacillus. T stands for Thurin kinesis. THURINGIENSIS. So means what is this? This is a bacteria. This is a bacterium which is found in soil. From this bacteria, a particular gene is isolated. that gene having the resistance power against the particular group of insect. It means it can show the defense against the particular microbes which can be attack the particular plants. So here that plant is called cotton. So this word which is called, it is taken B. B is taken from bacillus and T is taken from the second word which is called thuringiensis. So from here the scientists they isolate, they extract a particular gene which is called Bt gene. This is called a Bt gene. For this Bt gene finally expressed to, this gene finally expressed to make the protein, These protein are toxic to the particular class of insect. It means without using of any insecticides, these particular insect they may be easily killed. So that's why this Bt cotton, this is also worked as a biopesticide, bioinsecticides, because this is the power of gene which is called Bt gene. This Bt gene is extracted from a bacteria. The name of bacteria is called Bacillus thuringiensis. So it means don't be confused. It is not biotechnology shortcut. It is the name which is isolated from a bacteria. The name of bacteria is called Bacillus thuringiensis. When this gene express, it will be make the protein. These protein are toxic. These protein are made in the form of crystal. Bt gene by express to produce gene product. These gene products are called protein in the form of a crystal, and these crystal protein are toxic to particular insect. This insect attack on cotton ball. The name of insect is called bollworm. It means without using of insecticides, this protein which is harmful, which is toxic, it may kill this bollworm. So this is the advantages. That's why sometimes it is called bioinsecticides, because we can issue the defense against particular insect with the help of living organ. The living organ which is used here is called bacteria. The name of bacteria is called Bacillus thuringiensis. From that bacteria, the particular gene is isolated, extracted. That gene is called Bt gene. Sometimes that protein which is produced, which kill this insect, these are called insecticidal protein. As the name indicates, those protein which lead to the suicide, which kill the particular insect, these are called insecticidal protein. So this protein in the form of a crystal, or this crystal are toxic. Now question arises, if these protein are harmful, these are toxic in nature, then why this bacteria which is called Bacillus thuringiensis, it can't be killed? So reason is that why this Bt gene product which is called crystal protein, it will be not cause the death of Bacillus thuringiensis, because these crystal protein are produced in inactive form in Bacillus thuringiensis. This inactive form is called protoxin. It means to convert from inactive form to active form. This required a medium. The medium is called alkaline. Very, very important questions. This alkaline medium is obtained when bollworm, when a particular insect, the name of insect is called bollworm, it feed up upon the cotton ball. Cotton ball. In cotton ball plants, what are present? Bt gene is present. Bt gene is present. This Bt gene expressed to make, which is called cryprotein, and this cryprotein from inactive state to convert into active state into the midgut of this ball. Midgut. Here you can say alimentary canal of bone, because the medium in the midgut, it is called alkaline. Or in alkaline medium, this inactive form that is converted into the active form. What will be happen within some time? In mid region, epithelial cell get infected. Epithelial cell may be infected. These crystal in midgut, in alkaline medium, when the pH is changed, so these solubilize these protein crystal. When these protein crystals are dissolved, these protein crystals are absorbed by these cells, and within these cells, what will be happens? Pores are created. But why these pores? This protein crystal, it is go from outside to inside, or within some time it may be causes swelling of these cell, and within some time it may be causes the lysis of these cell. As a result, what will be happen? This bone will be killed. This will be killed. So this is the defense mechanism. Without using of insecticide, which is called the chemical substance which are used by the farmer to kill these insects. So this particular Bt gene is taken. This Bt gene, it will be killed this ball without using of any insecticide. So this is the better, the most important case study which is given in your book by the heading which is called Bt cotton. Here there are so many one-mark questions that may be set up. What is the inactive form named protoxin? How it will be converted? It is converted into the toxin. Where it will be converted? Into the midgut. What is midgut? It is the alimentary canal of insect whose name is called bollworm. What will be the medium? Medium is called alkaline. In alkaline medium, what will be happen? These inactive form that will be converted into the active form. Protoxin that is converted into the toxin. What will be happen? Epithelial cell get infected. It may be causes the pores, swelling and lysis, and finally what will be happen? The death of this bollworm will be happen. So this is about your Bt cotton. Here there are so many terms which are also given. This kind of gene, it can be shown the defense against a particular group of insect. So there are so many group of insect. Out of so many, 3 groups are given. 3 groups are given. Number 1, Lepidopteran. Lepidopteran. It can be shown the resistance against a particular insect. In this group, there are 2 examples which is given. One is called tobacco budworm. The second example is called armyworm. The second group A class is called Coleopteran, in which particular example is given. For that particular example of insect, that is called beetles. Beetles are with. So beetles, these insects are belong to the particular class group which is called Coleopteran. Tobacco budworm and armyworm, they are belong to this group which is called Lepidopteran. And the third, which is again very very important. So this third, which is given in your Dipterans. Di means 2. Which one? The 2 examples is put here. One is called flies. The second example is called mosquitoes. So from neat point of view, you can be remember these examples. The particular insect that is belong to the particular group. So one more question that may be set up from here. The next next one which is important here. 2 marks question that may be set up. What is the difference between two words which is given here? CRY and capital CRY. This small CRY, it represents the gene, which is called a BT gene. This capital CRY, it represents this gene product. For this gene product, after expression, what will be made? It makes the protein or protein in the form of a crystal. So it means this capital CRY, it represents the crystal form of protein, or this small CRY, it represents the gene. The gene which can code for the gene expression which is called protein crystal. So this is again a difference. This is written in the italics form. Sometimes this is written in the Roman form. So these are the some difference between small CRY and the capital CRY. Again, important question, 1 marks questions. Here, the particular gene, there are so many type of cry gene are given. So out of so many, 2 are given, which can be show the resistance against the particular bomb. Number 1, cry 1AC and cry 2AB. This can show the resistance against the particular bomb. This particular bomb is called Bohr bomb, which we study in BT cotton. Very important questions, which we study in BT cotton. So 1 marks question that means set up. Which kind of gene or which group of gene is show the resistance against the particular kind of insect whose name is called bollworm. Sometimes it is called cotton bollworm. Second, very important questions from the next point of view. The second group of gene, which is called Cry1AB, it can show the resistance against the second kind of worms, which is called corn borer. Very important questions. This particular second type of cry gene, whose name is labeled here, the symbol which are given here, Cry1AB. This Cry1AB control which one? Corn borer. By the earlier which is called Cry1AC and the Cry2AB, it control the bollworm, and this bollworm it show the infection in the BT cotton, which is called cotton ball used. So these are the some case study which is related to the your BT cotton. So these things are remembered to go through these things. The third important questions, this BT cotton, the commercial hybrid which is called genetically modified crops, which is used in India, in particular the particular region of the Punjab. In Punjab it is used in Malwa region of Punjab, because in Malwa region earlier जो traditions agriculture crops which can be used as paddy, due to growing more and more paddy for several years, there will be created the deficiency of water. You can be scarcity of water. It means plenty of water is not present in this particular region of Punjab, which is called Malwa. So the alternate option is use of this BT cotton. This BT cotton requires less water. It can be easily grow in the scarcity of water as compared to the paddy. So that's why this BT cotton is planted, they grow into the particular region of Punjab, that region is called Malwa. So this is again one question that may be set up. So this is about the case study application of technology in agriculture sector. The most important case study is called BT cotton. So there are so many type of questions that may be set up from this topic. So you can go through